Why would I let you blindfold me on the first date?
I don't know if there's a scientific term for being like sexually attracted to someone's cooking, but you're doing things to me right now. Have you ever cheated on someone? Damn, I f***ed up.
Welcome back to Date to Dish. It's midnight, cravings are kicking in, and love might be just one bite away. 3 singles will cook to compete for a date with Sherif. This is Date to Dish, where love's on the menu, but not everyone is getting served.
My name is Sherif Mohammed Mattar. I'm from Alexandria, Egypt. I'm looking for ambition, passion, creativity. They say LA was ranked #2 worst dating place in the country. So yeah, it's been a bit of a challenge, but hopefully I can incorporate my passion for food and women together, and maybe we might be onto something here. Let's see what happens.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Claire.
Hey, I'm Sherif. What's your name?
Diana.
Diana, I'm
What's
Sherif.
your name?
What's your name?
Maya.
Maya.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful name. It's nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Where does the name Claire come from?
So it's French, it means clear.
That's so cool.
Hi, Sherif. That's a nice name, too.
Oh, thank you. It means noble
It means
in
noble.
Arabic. What about your last name?
Oh, that's too federal.
Okay, no, you're right, you're right.
Today I'm going to make golden graham s'mores bars for you.
I have this slight premonition that eggs are involved.
Eggs? No, honey. I'm vegan, so no eggs
Oh.
over here. So I'm making vegan tacos for you.
I'm gonna be making spicy fusilli.
So you would say this is your signature dish?
This is my signature dish. You know, when I'm getting to know someone and I don't know exactly what they like yet, like this is always safe. Nobody has ever not liked it.
Man, expectations are just skyrocketing right now.
Well, you know.
Honestly, I grew up eating a lot of tacos because that's all my mom knows how to cook. Now that's all I know how to cook. So
Wow.
if you don't like tacos,
No, I mean, are you
we not
even-
gonna work out.
I mean, yeah, I love tacos.
This is very American.
Right.
And this is basically just a twist on Rice Krispie treats. So I just wanted something easy, and I know that this is something kind of quick to make.
where are you from?
I'm from Egypt originally.
You're from Egypt?
Alexandria, Egypt. Famous for fish. I'm not into seafood, but
I
we are
hate
famous for fish. Yeah. What would you say is like your favorite food?
Tacos.
Okay.
Growing up in Russia, it's just not like a lot of fast food like we have here.
I know borscht takes forever to make, right?
Oh my God, yeah, I do know how to make that.
Oh my, I love borscht.
When I used to not be vegan, I actually used to say I want to go on like a world tour and try everybody's tacos. Because one thing about me, everywhere I go, it doesn't matter. Like, we can go to China, I'm going to be like, where's their tacos?
I would love to go on that tour with you one day.
It has to
We
be
could do like
vegan
a
though,
taco
remember?
tour.
Vegan
Yeah,
now.
but I mean, we could, you know, I feel like technology and science has improved so much that like vegan food can be anything and like just as delicious. So when would you normally eat this dish?
Normally, I would probably eat this when I'm just like craving something sweet in like the middle of the night, just waiting for everything to kind of melt, because this is very easy, just one pot kind of dish.
That's interesting that you say that, because that's when I usually get my sweet tooth cravings, like at late at night.
I know, yeah,
Something
that's,
about-
yeah.
I actually have to eat a peanut butter jelly every single night or I just can't even sleep.
Really?
And I have like a secret ingredient that kind of elevates it. I can't reveal on camera, but you might be, you know, a lucky lady in the future.
Okay,
Gets
I
to
get to
find that
taste
out.
test it.
Yeah.
If me and you were dating and you wanted me to make you a meal, what would like your go-to be?
My kind of Arabic Mediterranean background, I love shawarma. I would say one thing about me, I'm a very saucy guy. Like,
Saucy?
yeah, I mean, we're known to have maybe like 6 different sauces and just one dish would not be like unorthodox, like hummus, baba ganoush, tzatziki, garlic, all kinds of things going on. And then it's like the food becomes a palette, like a paintbrush you can mix, match.
That sounds exciting.
Would you say food was like a big part growing up?
Honestly, like, I grew up on boxed mac and cheese, canned corn, and chicken. Like, that's what my mom fed us.
What would you say you're looking for in a man? I know food is very important, as we've established, but what else?
I'm pretty tall, so I just really want someone just taller than me.
Is 6'3" enough?
It should be good. I'm 5'11".
I'm just making sure, you know.
If you're taller than me, then I'm always gonna be like looking at you with hard eyes. Personality-wise, I really want someone that's outgoing, that has a sense of humor, I think is the best thing, because I'm very like goofy and I'm like weird sometimes, so I just need someone that could be on that same level. Have you seen that TikTok sound? It's like, I need somebody to match my freak.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, I
Yeah,
feel like,
so that's basically what I
yeah,
bring.
definitely. What else are you passionate about?
I really, really, really love fashion and art, and I love dancing. So in college, I was a dance minor and an interior design major. So I really love to just create things. So anything that allows me to create, whether I'm doing it with my hands or whether, you know, I'm doing it with my body through dance.
What would impress you that if I cooked?
If you cooked, I would be really impressed if you, like if it was my birthday and like you baked a cake or something sweet like that.
Yeah, I think you're really speaking my language here.
Yes.
So my filling is done. So now I'm about to make my, I like to call it avocado salad. You can call it like an alternative guacamole. We can say that. It's kind of chunky.
To me, guacamole is one of the most important things in life. Or any variant of it. Like if you had to rank like top 5 most important things in the world.
Guacamole's up there?
It's up there. We're gonna play a little game, put some pressure on the situation.
Okay, put some heat.
Let's get to know each other more with a game of 2 truths and a lie.
Okay.
If you guess incorrectly, there is a spicy punishment, no pun intended.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 2 of these are true, 1 is a lie. I recently produced, directed, and wrote my first film. I've been snowboarding my whole life since I was 6 years old. I have over 200 songs released on Spotify.
You haven't been snowboarding since you were what? What'd you say, 6?
Yeah, you got me.
Yeah, I didn't think so. I moved 30 times growing up, really enjoy traveling, and I have a cat named Kiwi.
I feel like 1 is the obvious lie, but it might be like the trick. I'm gonna say 30 times, that's a lot.
No, that's the truth. The lie was that I like traveling.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow, okay, so I would have got it wrong either way with the cat kiwi.
You must have.
Remember that there was a spicy punishment if you got it wrong.
Oh.
So you get to take the punishment.
Initially, I was like, not spicy at all, and it picks up a little bit. But not bad.
Okay, so this is all melted. I'm gonna add it to the cereal now.
Texture just completely transformed.
I don't know, it smells good, right?
Yeah, it's looking really smooth and creamy.
Like, try not to make it burn.
So my biggest red flags will probably be like someone who's not considerate. That is major red flag. My green flag for someone would say someone who's very intellectual. So can I have deep conversations with you? Can I laugh with you, have fun? If you're a funny person, and like I said, very like intellectual, major green flag.
I would definitely agree with both of those. Let me think of a good red flag. I feel like clean home is a happy home. So like if your house is a mess, that scares the
Oh, you're gonna hate me. My house is a mess. When I tell you hair everywhere, makeup everywhere. But you know, every Sunday I actually clean my house.
Oh,
like
I mean,
deep
yeah,
clean.
then-
So like
yeah,
I'm a
that's-
big believer. Sunday is clean up day.
Green flag. Yeah, I feel like creativity is like really important to me. Like as an artist.
My biggest turn offs, the immediate thing that I say no to when I see like a guy's dating profile is when he has photos with his middle finger up. Is that you?
No, I didn't even know that was a thing. I mean, maybe if you're 12 years old,
And
that's weird. Okay, I agree.
Biggest turn on would be when a guy's just like down bad, when he's obsessed.
I agree with you. I don't know if there's a scientific term for being like sexually attracted to someone's cooking, but right now I'm feeling like you're doing things to me right now. That's like me if we like really like I might like write a song about you like tomorrow.
Could you improvise a song?
Yes, freestyle.
I'm not gonna do that right now. We're gonna have to talk about usage, licensing fees. So how often would you say you cook?
Okay, so I cook pretty much every day. I'm not against eating out, but I really just prefer to cook at home and make things myself.
You know how everybody loves cheese pools? I feel like this chocolate pool is like arousing me right now. I think now would be the perfect time for a little game, if you're down.
Yeah, I love games.
Okay, let's see here.
Just don't play with my heart, okay?
Let's test how adventurous you are with the game of Feel This Food. You'll be blindfolded and use only your hands to figure out what you're touching. No looking, just pure animal instincts.
Why would I let you blindfold me on the first date? What the heck?
I'm asking you to place your trust in me right now.
I can trust you?
Uh,
Why?
yeah.
Oh,
No, yes.
I'm about to run.
I mean, honestly, it looks
oh no.
it looks interesting. Here you go. Fill it out a little bit.
Guys, I'm like.
It's not alive.
It's
I can promise you that.
Okay, but is it like an animal though?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any guesses to what it may be?
Hell no. Somebody.
It kind of helps to like moisturize your skin.
It helps moisturize your skin. Is it aloe vera?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, it is?
That was a great guess.
I know a little something.
So what would you say you're most passionate about in life?
Honestly, I'm gonna say traveling. I travel quite a lot. I've been to 25 countries.
Wow.
I think it's because I also grew up traveling. Like growing up in Russia, I was like so close to Europe. So I've pretty much been in every country over there. And I don't know, in LA, you know, we have Euro summers. So I go to Europe literally every summer.
Would that be considered a hot girl summer?
Euro summer.
Okay.
It's not that I've had like really bad experiences with people, just a lot of like very unhealed men out here.
Would you say they suffer from self-esteem issues?
Self-esteem?
Maybe overcompensated for something?
I've never noticed somebody like being not confident, but definitely just not healing from like their childhood stuff and like putting that, I think women kind of deal with the brunt of a lot of that.
So right now I'm just putting the tacos together.
Looks delicious. What do you think is the most important ingredient in this dish? Besides your love, of course.
My love, my vibes, I mean besides that, probably like the basil and the Parmesan.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this off to the side and let it set.
So I think we're gonna play a little game, if that's all right with you.
Okay.
It's called Truth or Sip. I'll ask you a juicy question and you've got two options. Spill the truth or take a sip out of the mystery cup. I don't know if we trust this or not, but. Okay. Do you kiss on the first bite or wait until dessert?
Wait until dessert?
I like that. Have you ever cheated on someone?
No, but I have been cheated on, which sucks, but it's happened.
Yeah, and this one is absolutely the most important one. Have you ever gone on a date just to get free food?
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna answer honestly, and my answer is no.
Wow, that's impressive.
What are your first impressions of each other?
I love her passion, her creativity.
Say some more. No, I'm kidding. Thank you.
We'll say some more for the second date. How about that?
Thank you. Oh, okay, period. I love that you're like unique. I love that you are passionate about what you do. And like I said, the same thing, like creative. Cause then we kind of like can understand each other.
I feel like our conversation flows so well. To me, like conversation is like a song. It just has like rhythm to it. She's hilarious, playful, silly. She's super chill, down to earth. I love that she's passionate about food. She seems very well cultured and she seems like someone that's easy to get along with, which I think is like very important.
I think that you're like super chill. I don't know why, but I just get the vibe of like, you don't need like things from me to like really impress you, and like maybe the small things would
Not
already,
bougie.
like, yeah.
We've got our vegan steak with our veggies and peppers with salsa or avocado or alternative guacamole.
I'm all about flavor.
You like flavor? Okay, because I'm a whole lot of flavor.
Wow, this looks absolutely scrumptious.
I think it looks the best, and it's handpicked for you.
I'm all done now. I had a really nice time talking to you, and I hope you get to try this dish. I put a lot of love into it. So.
Wow, thank you. Yeah, I hope so as well.
Sherif, 3 ladies cooked for you today, but unfortunately, one has to go. Who's it gonna be?
One, I just have a huge sweet tooth, so I gotta try the s'mores. 2, I love meat, I love cheese, so I'm going to eliminate the vegan tacos, Maia.
So Sherif, are you ready to meet Maia?
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Damn, I f***ed up.
Why? Why you say that?
I was feeling really torn, like I felt like we had like a really great conversation. I kind of just went with the dishes I wanted to try the most, and yours did seem really delicious, but me, I'm like a big meat eater. It's not that I'm not open to dating a vegan.
You don't want to eat the food.
Honestly.
I'm not attracted to anybody who won't eat my food. Major red flag. I'm feeling salty.
Are you still in
No, I'm still salty. No, I'm kidding.
And we
You're
matched.
tall.
And we matched too.
We low-key are coordinating. Oh my God. You are, how tall are you?
6'3".
You're 6'3"? Dang.
I think I'm gonna go like traditional order, meal and then dessert. Any last words?
You know, I hope you like it. I hope you taste the love, and I enjoyed our conversation.
It's absolutely delicious. All right, moving on to dessert.
I think it turned out good, and visually it looks appetizing, so I hope you like it.
I love the twist on the traditional s'more. Yeah, phenomenal.
Unfortunately, one of the girls has to go. Who's it gonna be?
I went with the pasta dish because I feel like it was made with so much love. This pasta, I mean, it takes the cake, and Claire takes the cake.
Hey,
Hi.
you don't like my dish?
No, I loved it, but I had to pick one. I mean, I wish things could be different. I wish we had like another chance, especially now seeing you.
I'm sad I wasn't chosen as the winner, but it was great to meet you.
I mean, I want to give her a hug if she'll have me. Like, you know, who knows what happens in the future, you know. Like.
Oh, that's a long hug.
And I really appreciate you cooking for me, so thank you.
Yeah.
So Sherif, are you ready to meet your pick?
I'm ready.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
You too. I think she's amazing. I really love talking to her. I would love to, I don't know, see if we can maybe get some food sometime.
Yeah.
So Sherif, is Claire going to get the final fork?
Yes.
Yay. Thank you. Here. Should we like
You
feed
can-
each other
yeah.
the pasta?
You do the honors. Yeah, we could do Lady in
Okay.
the Tramp if you want,
You
or I
can
don't
have
know.
your fork. I like it.
Is there a second date?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.